going to Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii.
As you can see, our car is red. And what is it, Judah?
A Dodge Charger!
Judah's been talking about Dodge Chargers for a long time, and it was an option for rental. So that's what Brooke is driving. The bald guy, what do you think?
Good.
Incredible, huh?
Incredible. So
it's all on Netflix. Okay, guys, where are we right now?
Shark Cove.
That was a big wave coming over. Peeing on me. Giovanni shrimp. Look at that, hot and spicy. And then the garlic. I got the hiccups already, but it is great. Bacon, egg, and cheese croissant, and Portuguese sausage breakfast. Okay, what do you think of your rental car? What is it?
A Dodge Charger.
What is that?
A crab exoskeleton.
Oh. Kaʻena Point? Something? State Park? This is so cool. There's so many great spots in the rocks to check out. It's coming! It's racing!
Where's the height?
Kaʻena Point. And the crazy part about this hike is we're seeing like the violence of nature. Oh my gosh. I mean, these waves will toss you like a rag doll into these jagged lava rocks. It's pretty incredible to watch, awe-inspiring. Okay, what are we about to walk up to, guys?
Seals.
Yeah, some monk seals. We just had some people on the trail tell us. Well, let's check them out. Out there. Teddy's Burgers right here, big Hawaiian burger with a slice of pineapple. They're everywhere. Of course, if you have adult chickens, you gotta have babies, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
It's gotta be the what?
The chicken capital.
Chicken
of the world.
capital of the world, but unfortunately, you just had a pretty bad chicken sandwich.
It was.
It wasn't great. Portland Berry Judah. All right, Judah, break out. You look like one of those native people on King Kong that like hide and paint themselves in the nature. Weather day today. Not ideal for swimming or anything, but pretty epic. See any out in the ocean, but we made one, right? Okay, here's some food from Kaya's kitchen. How is it so far? Oh man.
Go Kaya, it's your birthday.
Alright, this is gonna be a little messed up. Okay. Egg. Chicken. Oh, so wrong. Well, getting back up to the highway after the tunnel, we had to climb all the way up this. And Mom is still a little nervous, but she's got it. Hey, high five. Good job. All right, this is the epic Halona Cove, which is the cove that is in Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom, and Pirates of the Caribbean. I think Stranger Tides. We get to come down there, look at it from above. Look how cool that is. Oh, that's terrific. We got our Leonards. going Manoa Falls hike, right guys? Feels like jungle, huh?
Yeah.
We're really in it. Manoa Falls is just such an amazing hike, huh, Brooklyn? Mm-hmm. You're in the jungle with these gigantic trees and tropical plants. It's amazing. Can't wait to see the falls. We're on the second from Moss, Judah. This is the real deal. Little parts of the stream before we get to the waterfall. We are at the point on the trail where we can finally see it. A little bit ahead. Tell anybody, but I'm peeing in this water right now and it's warming it up. There's fish that are in the pet store, right? Let's see if I can find one.
What are they called?
The little.
Placostomus. Those little pet store fish. Alright, well we just finished the Manoa Falls trailhead up to the falls and it's pretty epic. It's
Beautiful.
incredible.
Jungly.
Very high. We got to spend some time in the water and coming back down, it is just beautiful. So what do you guys think of Manoa Falls?
Awesome. It was
Amazing.
so cool. No, it looks like a sea urchin to me.
Alright, what did we just do?
We just did the world's largest maze at the Dole Plantation.
It's definitely worth it.
Got them all. Look at that.
All the hidden spots.
There's my bride with the Dole whips. Look at those babies. What?
Here you go.
Thank you. Refreshing, huh?
Yeah. How are we gonna go to Hawaii when we spend all our money? And then all we have is we're broke.
This is the beach right across the street from our hotel. Great beach access, first time we come here. To the Leonard's Bakery stuff, Judah. Go ahead and try one.
Regular.
Regular? And?
Good.
Alright, we like Ted's Bakery so much that we're back at Ted's Bakery again. More sweets from Ted's Bakery. How is it?
Okay.
Oh yeah, this place never disappoints. Got salty food coming too.
So good.
Oh my goodness, guys. Is that good or what?
Yeah.
Full view of Waimea Bay. Also where like the homeless like to hang out.
Waimea Bay with snorkeling here in the corner. Go back, guys.
Alright, we're on a hill, right, Judah? Sand hill right here, so what do we have to do? Alright, here's Waimea Valley.
3, 2, 1, go.
Uh-oh. Go for it. Oh man, look at this cool stuff. Uh-oh, hold on. Now. Charlie, we didn't bring her on the trip, but she got here anyway. Waiting on a good wave to body surf back into the shore. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that one took me out. So the tree right here on this kayak trip has a rope on it.
Hey there. What's going down here? All right, he's got it. Woo! Amazing. Woo!
That was incredible. You got to climb all the way up and grab it. It's pretty steep coming out, but it's so much fun. Rope swinging in Hawaii. Yeah! You did it! Good job, dude!
Alright, where's my $5?
Alright, here Judah and I are up in these mangroves, and Judah just did his first backflip off a tree in Hawaii.
Never give up.
Good job, dude. Okay, me and Judah just saw a sea turtle right here. Let's see if it comes here. Yeah, here it is. Brooke and I came to Lāʻie Point, is that what it's called? For sunrise, but the kids missed it. So now we're out here checking it out. Amazing views. Oh my God. Look how crazy that looks. You don't like that, Judah?
I mean, while I'm on your shoulders, no.
There's some pretty epic splashing happening right now.
Got out What?
What'd you think, Judah?
Awesome.
It's pretty epic, huh?
Yeah. Good. Excellent.
What's Judah gonna look like?
He's gonna look like a hobbit whenever he gets hair on his face.
the Indominus Rex paddock of Jurassic World. Yes, this is the same cage where they kept the ibex in that first film.
That's where the Indominus got out, or tricked him. None of this is real. Judah, what is this made out of?
Styrofoam.
Judah, look at that. Styrofoam. Yeah, the guy said that they kept Blue in this cage in the movie. This is the actual one. Into the control room at the Indominus Rex paddock. Wasn't it awesome? Wow, so epic. All my childhood dreams in reality. Pretty sweet. One of those things I've been wanting to try. I saw this Waiahole Poi Factory on Netflix, but I'm not sure if the family will be into it. Alright, one of them is just plain poi, and the other one has ice cream and tapioca. Original poi here. I could get down with that actually. This is ice cream. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's got all kinds of, this is, kids are gonna like this. If I let them have it. Wow, view from the hotel here in Honolulu on Waikiki Beach, huh, Judah? Alright guys, let's see what's up. Oh yeah, that's good. What are you guys looking at? Hey. Oh, just that? That's all.